Good morning, everyone. For a few seconds, close your eyes and imagine this. A dull halogen light, a spinning glass plate, the monotonous humming sound that terminates in a beep, beep, beep 3 times. Guess what I'm talking about? Yes, you've got it. It's about microwave ovens that are present these days in most Western homes and in metro and B towns in India as well. They're being used for popping corn, heating, boiling, steaming, cooking, baking, thawing, and so much more, all in a jiffy. So why talk about microwave ovens today? Ta-da! It's World Microwave Oven Day, the perfect day to bring you our next trivia with GK benefits. The microwave oven is beloved for its speed and ease of use. It also uses less energy than conventional ovens, sometimes up to 80%. There's no doubt that microwave ovens have changed our lives for the better. What you might not know about this indispensable kitchen appliance is when and how it was invented. The true story is that it was invented utterly by accident one fateful day more than 70 years ago when a Raytheon engineer named Percy Spencer was testing a military-grade magnetron. On that fateful day in 1945, Spencer was visiting a lab where magnetrons, the power tubes of radar sets, were being tested. Suddenly, he felt that the peanut butter cookie snack bar in his pocket had started to melt. The next morning, he brought in a kettle, cut a hole in the side, and put an uncooked egg in its shelf into the pot. Then he moved a magnetron against the hole and turned on the power. Moments later, it exploded, covering Spencer's face with egg. The yolk had cooked faster than the outside, causing the egg to burst. Spencer humorously said that this episode was probably the origin of the expression egg in your face. But Spencer itched to know more about the effects of magnetron. The following day, he brought in corn kernels, popped them with his new invention, and shared some blissful popcorn with the entire office. And so, my friends, the microwave oven was born and patented in 1945. So how does it work? The magnetron inside the microwave oven produces microwaves. These microwaves reflect off the metal interior of the oven and cause the water molecules in the food to vibrate. And this vibration results in friction between the substance molecules in the food items, which produces the heat and cooks the food. Initially, microwave units were heavy, expensive, and mostly found in trains, ships, and restaurants where food was regularly cooked for a very large number of people and had to be done in record time. The radar range microwave oven of 1947 stood nearly 6 feet tall and cost $5,000. The less bulky and cheaper models came only in 1955. And nowadays, microwave ovens are compact, neat, and get tucked away into the kitchen almost as an aesthetic beautification piece, isn't it? Finally, here's some more trivia about what else you can do with microwave ovens which you won't find in a recipe book. 1. Make lip balm. 2. Remove labels from glass bottles. 3. Peel garlic more easily. 4. Temper or dry herbs for easy stashing and future use. So that's all for now. Enjoy this World Microwave Oven Day today. I'm off to make some potato chips in my microwave oven. How about you?